Jiminy Christmas.
Was it me? Was it him? Was it the boy?
No. He's still a puppet.
Hello, Pinocchio. I want to play a game. Tonight, we will see how far you are willing to go to break those strings once and for all. Then, and only then, will you become a real boy.
I'm here, Pinocchio.
How'd you get in there?
Some jackass in a pig mask worked me over pretty good. I put up a good fight, though.
I'm afraid your little friend will be of no use to you on this adventure.
Don't listen to him, Pinocchio. The blue fairy will save us.
That's right. She'll help us.
I don't think so.
Little puppet made of wood, the gift of life for being good.
Hello, Blue Fairy. Is it cold enough for you? Soon, your blood will turn to ice. Then you'll be no more alive than the puppets you haven't given life to. Goodbye, Blue Fairy.
Oh.
Oh, there goes my badge.
Well, then my father will help us.
Yeah! Geppetto!
Wrong again.
Leo, what have they done to you? Figaro, it doesn't look like we're gonna get out of this one. Oh, Figaro, you put your paw on the acid and get her the key. Savor yourself, Figaro.
This doesn't look like the work of Jigsaw.
If you want to be a real boy, all you have to do is break free from the strings that hold you down, that make you fret, that make you frown.
Oh, hi ho, the merry
Not now, Woodenhead. We gotta find a way out of here.
The teddy bear bomb will detonate unless all strings are broken. Live or die. Make your choice, Pinocchio.
You can do it, Pinocchio! You're almost there. Just one more. You're free!
I've got no strings on me!
Oh, shit!
I guess dreams don't come true.
I don't get it. All he had to do was untie each limb, defuse the teddy bear bomb, save the cricket, shut off the TV, unhinge the door, and walk out this room.
All he had to do.
You made my wish come true.